When you solve and graph inequalities, you want to start out with an equation, and in this case we have 2x plus 18 is greater than or equal to 14 plus 4x. You subtract 2x from both sides. You bring your equation down. From this, you only want the x on one side and the number on the other, so you subtract 14 from both sides, which leaves you with 2x is less than or equal to 4. Then you divide by 2x, and your answer is x is less than or equal to 2. Graph time! Now what you want to start out with is your axes. When you get your axes, don't forget to label your axes. From here, you want to start out by plotting your points, which is 0 and 2. Since it's less than or equal to, you'll have a closed circle on the 2 and everything to the left. In this next problem, you have 5x plus 10 is less than or equal to 20. You want to subtract 10 from both sides so that you can have the x on one side and the number on the other. You bring your equation down, which leaves you with 5x is less than or equal to 10. You divide by 5 on both sides, which gives you x is less than or equal to 2. Since you have less than or equal to, you will have to graph your equation. You start out with your axes. You want to label your axes, and then, following this, you want to plot your points, which is 0 and 2. Since it is less than or equal to, you will have a closed circle on the 2, and everything is going to the left. In this equation, you have 6 minus 4x is greater than 12 plus negative 2x. You want to add the opposite on each side to make it easier. Then you add 2x to each side, since you have a negative. You bring your equation down. From here, you want to subtract 6 from both sides, so you have x on one side and the number on the other, which leaves you with negative 2x is greater than 6. From here, you want to divide negative 2 on both sides. But since you're dividing with a negative number on x's, you flip your inequality sign and have 1x is less than negative 3. Graph time! You start out with your axes. Following this, you want to label your axes. Then after this, you want to plot your points, which are negative 3 and 0. Since you didn't have a less than or equal to sign, it will be an open circle over the 3 and everything going to the right. Thank you. And that's how you graph and solve inequalities. Alright, you smart person, you learned how to graph and solve inequalities. Oh, you're just so smart. Oh. Okay, well, that's it, so I'm gonna go.